Solar power generation is a crucial factor in the transition to green electricity. Land resources in Taiwan are limited. Therefore, solar energy is mostly planned in coastal areas, which are prone to high corrosion. The steel brackets under the power generation panels have experienced corrosion in just a few years and are facing renovation. Therefore, the cost of green electricity is challenging to lower. ITRI's AP23 direct-to-metal paints develop innovative silicon modification technology and overcome the difficulty of coating on galvanized steels. We integrate corrosion-resistant, UV-resistant, and abrasion-resistant properties into one coating. The baking paint system design enables fully automated production of corrosion-resistant painted brackets, which greatly reduces the production cost of the industry. The material does not contain heavy metals such as lead, chromium, and zinc, and does not contain BPA endocrine disruptors. It can be safely applied in fishery and photovoltaic symbiosis and agricultural photovoltaic symbiosis systems. The corrosion-resistant paints technology of the AP23 makes solar energy more durable and reliable.